Welcome to our world of fun! Let's learn together! It's time to study! Let's go!
Can you name all 26? Let's learn from A to Z. You are doing great! Almost there! You did it! You are a champion!
A. A for apple. A for apple. Wow. B. B for ball. B for ball. Wow. C. C for cat. C for cat. Wow. D. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. Wow. Oh, yeah. F for fan. F for fan. Oh, G for grapes. G for grapes. Wow, grapes. H for hat. H for hat. Wow, hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Wow, ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. Wow, jug. Wow. K for key. K for key. Wow, key. L for line. L for line. Wow, line. Wow. M for milk. M for milk. Wow, milk. Wow, milk. N for nest. N for nest. Wow, nest. O for orange. O for orange. Wow. P for pen. P for pen. Wow. Q for queen. Q for queen. Wow. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Wow. S for sun. S for sun. Wow, sun. T for train. T for train. Oh, train. Wow. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Wow. Umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. Oh, van. W. W for watch. W for watch. 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 X. X for X-Men. X-Men. One. Yeah. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Oh, yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra.
Wow! You completed A to Z objects learning. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and join us for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye!